Welcome everyone and thank you for watching. We're going to be making an easy, tasty chicken stir-fry dish today called gai in Chinese. Now the reason why it's called gai is that it makes a sizzling sound when you're cooking it in the wok. Remove the ends and peel on 2 carrots and 1 onion. Then rinse 1 stalk of green onion. Julienne the onion, then thinly slice the carrots so they cook quickly. I love the color of the carrot and the onion to make this dish extra pretty. Dice up the green onion to make a beautiful garnish for this dish. Rinse clean 5 boneless and skinless chicken thigh meat pieces, then cut them into smaller pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of rice cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and then mix it well. Set it aside to marinate for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to the wok on high heat, then sauté your onion. This will help release the flavor from the onion. Then toss in your carrots and sauté. Add a pinch of salt and then sauté your carrots and onion to give it some flavor. Create a space in the middle of your wok and add the chicken. Sauté, then add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce to add some beautiful color to your dish. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and then continue to sauté the chicken and mix everything together well. Add 3 tablespoons of water, then stir fry everything together. Cover and simmer on medium heat until the chicken is cooked. If you want your sauce to be thicker, add a cornstarch slurry. Add 1 tablespoon of water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to a bowl, mix it, and then add it to your wok and stir slowly. I personally love the sauce like this, so I'm not going to add the cornstarch slurry. I like to drizzle the sauce onto rice, and sometimes I like to eat this dish with vermicelli noodles. I hope you get a chance to try out this super quick and easy tasty dish. To finish off the dish, add your diced green onion, sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds, and drizzle some sesame oil on top.